to find me.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus! I hear me to find me.
What be this? What be this photo? You want to add petrol to fire? Will you keep?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
This evening you will die.
Wait, why do some of you just like unnecessary problem? Why do you like bringing generational costs upon your family?
The cost of fuel has gone up.
Will you keep quiet? Many times have I told you to respect yourself? This foolishness you are displaying does not look good on you. Mommy,
Jesus.
Y'all going, y'all best escape, calm down. Y'all best escape, calm down. Y'all best escape, calm down.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
He shot you. Don't want peace.
God have mercy upon us.
This man. Jesus.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? God have mercy upon us.
He shot you.
You get it?